Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the crazy movement on this one today. In trading terminology, this is what we would call a gap and trap. What do I mean by a gap and trap? Well, on Friday, the price closed right there, and then this morning, the price opened right there, hence the gap up. So that was the gap. And then after the market officially opened, you can see it went up a little bit as high as right there, and then from there was literally bears and downwards pressure the remainder of the day. So hence the gap and trap. And now all of a sudden the price is sitting at a very important level as far as I'm concerned in terms of the overall chart, and that is this area down here at, well, I guess it's not sitting quite at it, but it's very close right there at that 85, 86 cent mark. Why is this area so important? Well, I'm not saying this will occur, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down through that level and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price at that point? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price quite literally right back inside of that range that it just broke out of on Friday. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas at least if the price can, pull off something like this, where it goes sideways and then begins to work its way back upwards, at least at that point in time, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there, and if you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, you have stair steps still making progress in the upwards direction. So that is definitely a very, very important level going forward. In fact, so much so that really resistance levels, in my opinion, don't matter right now because there's a lot of downwards pressure, and it's really just a question of, is this price headed back to where it was, or is the price going to be able to show some sort of sign of progress? So let's see what happens with it. The week is young, still 4 days left, but yeah, a whole lot of people are going to be watching that 85, 86 cent mark for the reasons discussed. So let's see if the price can stay above it or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.